Hey everybody, how you doing? And welcome to this week's full body workout. This week we are going to do a hybrid isometric dynamic workout. These exercises might be a little bit different to what you usually do, but they're a lot of fun, extremely effective, and pretty hard. So this is a sort of intermediate to advanced workout. So let's start by looking at the 3 exercises, and then afterwards I'll tell you the workout structure so you know exactly how to do this workout. So the first exercise, we're going to combine bicep curls with a squat. So you go down in half a squat, keep that in the isometric hold, and then do 5 bicep curls. After you've done the 5 bicep curls, you keep the bicep curls in an isometric hold and do 5 squats. After you've done 5 squats, you go back in the squat in an isometric hold and do 5 bicep curls again. The second combo is flutter kicks with dumbbell press. So you're going to start with 5 flutter kicks. Every time your leg comes up on the same side, that is 1 rep. Then you're going to hold that in a hollow hold and you're going to do 5 dumbbell presses. When you're done with that, remember, keep your elbows off the ground, hold it in an isometric hold, and then you do 5 flutter kicks again, and then hollow hold again, and then 5 reps. And then the final exercise is pull-ups with knee raises. So you bring your knees up at a 90-degree angle, keep it there in the isometric hold, and do 5 pull-ups. Once you are done with that, you will hold the pull-up in an isometric hold and then do 5 knee raises. And as before, you will move back and forth for 40 seconds. So there you go, guys, a lot of fun. So as you've probably seen, what you do is you take the first combo exercise and you hold the first exercise in an isometric hold while you do 5 reps of the second exercise, okay? After 5 reps, you swap over and you hold that first exercise in an isometric hold while you do 5 reps of the first exercise. You continue that for 40 seconds, then you take a 20-second break, and then you move on to the second combo exercise. You complete all 3 combo exercises, and then you do that for 5 rounds. So 15 minutes and your workout is all done. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed these kind of home workouts, then I've created a brand new 100% free book called The Big Book of Home Workouts, where I have listed some of my most popular and most effective home workouts that I've uploaded to my YouTube channel over the last 13 years. And you can go and grab your copy right now at sixpackfactory.com/big book and start using these workouts. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Click on that like button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know how you get on with the exercises in the comments box below. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe and switch on the bell icon. Until next time, guys, remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.